What's going on, LP Nation? In this video of Freelance 101, it's going to be real quick and sweet, and I promise below 5 minutes length. You're going to learn 1. That there is an internal system of ranking on Freelancer, and 2. How to use freelancer.com rewards, free points, basically free credits, to buy yourself great stuff, to upgrade your profile, and to solve free exams. Yes, you can buy free exams, and I will explain what exams are. Stick around, because this episode is real quick but really important in upgrading your profile and upgrading your chances to win a job, to win a project. Yep. So real quick info. Freelancer.com at this moment in end of March of 2020 has 42.7 million users. Hear me out. This is a huge market. If there are 20 more million of new accounts, active accounts, since the moment I've started freelancing. So in my time, I think it was around 24 million or even less, maybe even below 20 million. So we're talking about doubling, more than double more freelancers in only 4 years. You know that what it means? It means the market is ever growing. So that's great news. It's not late to hop in the train. You have to register a profile there. So that's your last call. If you don't believe me, look at this. 42,723,239. Total jobs posted at this very moment 17 million.4. That's a lot. That's really a lot. So you should use everything that's in your disposal, especially free stuff that freelancer.com gives. So with no further ado, let's go to your upper right menu. Let's choose view profile. Now on the view profile screen, click my rewards, and this is like a game. You earn badges and levels. For example, you see that lpstudio is level 20 gold. It's a maximum level. For everything you do on the site, deposit fund, create a milestone payment, deposit fund, bid the project, you earn those freelancer.com credits. Okay, I don't have a lot because I spend them. I buy stuff. And you can see the leaderboard here. You can see that I'm 2,246 out of 42.7 million freelancers. So somebody would say, Luka, but it's like 2,246, that's nothing. But yeah, out of 47 million, you understand? I think, sorry, 42 million. I think it's really a great success to be. It's like 0.0000, you get me. So I want you to achieve the same. So you earn badges. Badges are like badges of honor, like achievements, and rewards are the things you have permanently. So my bid refresh rate is like tons faster than yours. I get more bids than you. I get employer following more than you, etc. with my activity. And also you can, with these credits, you can buy rewards. You can highlight your bids when you bid. You can buy free exams, and free exams is the thing I want you to buy, especially when you don't have a membership which allows that. So you will come here and you will buy exam level 1 with your first 1,000 coins if you do not buy a professional membership. And I'll tell you why. Step 2, you will go again to your profile. Okay, step 2, you're back on your profile. You will do something great. You see those certifications I have: US English 1, Preferred Freelancer Program, Numeracy, Photoshop, Illustrator, it's all okay. But the one here you see, US English 1, you won't be able to bid on 50% of the bids if you pass the basic English. This is the only exam you should have, and use your coins or your membership perks. If you already buy, for example, professional membership, you will get a free exam, few free exams per month especially. But let's say you don't want to spend money, you just want to spend coins on this. click get certified, click get certified, and you're here. You will go to find an exam. You will scroll down to translational languages, you will load them all, and in the end you will find US English. So you will go, let's go again, you will go to view profile, you will go to my rewards, and I'll show you now on the example of bid highlights how to buy something, because I don't have enough credits to buy an exam, and I don't frankly need it because I have 5 free exams in my membership. So go to credit shop and you will click on the exam buy now. I will click on highlight bid. You will then go, this is the most important part, you will go to rewards and you see your rewards inventory, activate. Click on your item you bought and click activate. And only now you have to have exam. You see my exam is free here, and highlight bid, you have to have it here so you can use it. You will go to your profile and you will go to the exam as I showed you earlier. So this is very important. Exams are live, you have like, I don't know, 30-40 minutes, but in any case, you have more than enough time to pass English 1. If you don't know English, somebody who has high school English is enough. It's very important, as I said, you won't be able to bid on most projects if you don't have US English exam, okay?
If you like this video, also don't forget to sub, it means really a lot. I know I'm a bit boring with this sub, but yeah, that's a sign that you support my work. Thank you very much, my LP Nation, and see you in the next episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. It was your guy, LP.